This is my backyard garden. It's my little container garden. When I have basil, got some tomato, some Thai basil. There's some peppers over there. Oh, and I see cucumber coming up. There's two little cucumbers. Got some flowers. This is an avocado tree. We experimented. And then we have some Roma tomatoes. It's getting pink now, getting ready. We got some baby seedlings. There's a lot of basil here. That's the chocolate mint. And my little greenhouse. We got some kiwi tree and some more mint, lemon balm, some other things here. It smells good here. And the little grown some also more cucumbers. These are tomatoes and garlic with some onions as well as some onions and little baby cabbage. Okay, this is our little garden here.